motivational kind of video, right? That I kind of used to play in every class whenever we wait. Okay, chalo. So as I said that we have discussed this topic in the class, which is refraction of light, है ना? So हमने क्या पढ़ा था? We studied about what is basic definition of refraction, what is refractive index, right? How light refracts from one medium to another medium, how it bends, why it bends in such a way, right? Why it goes away from normal when entering from denser medium to rare medium, why it bends toward the normal when going from rare medium to denser medium, है ना? So I guess everyone know these things. Just raise your hand. Everyone know these things. हम लोगों ने discuss किया था ये. Okay, yes, right, very good. So when you talk about the concepts, first of all, okay, whenever we study any topic, we have to write down, note it down the concept that we have covered or that we are going to cover. So if you see this, right, the refraction part, है ना? So don't you think that these are the only concepts that we have to study? Just go through this, or we have already studied, and because we have already studied this chapter once. Okay, we have revised also once. So the first topic was what was refraction, the basic idea of refraction, what is refraction, how it happens and all. Then second is refractive index. What is refractive index? What is the formula of refractive index? How refractive index affect the speed of light in medium? Then laws of reflection we have studied. We have two laws of reflection. One same as your laws of reflection, and second is Snell's law. Okay, then we discuss what is TIR, which is total internal refraction. Then principle of reversibility. So I guess most of you might forgot this, right? What is principle of reversibility? So this is nothing fancy. Okay, there's a simple concept that is given a fancy name. Okay, so we'll discuss that. Don't worry about that. Then we discuss real depth and apparent depth, right? We discuss the example of swimming pool. We discuss the example of coin in the bucket. Yes or no? Anna, right? Then spherical lenses, two type of lenses that we have to study, concave and convex. We will study about those two. Then image formed by the spherical lens, how image is formed, what are the different positions of the object, and if the position of object is changing, then how the image is changing, right? Then last is numerical aspect. Okay, so when you talk about numerical, we have only three formulas in refraction. Yes or no? Tell me. We have only three formulas in refraction: lens formula, magnification formula, and power of lens formula. Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, right? So yes, I've already shared the notes. So I'll be using that same notes because I don't want you to write everything again and again. Okay. So it's already shared. You can just use your textbook. If you have your textbook, you can use that. Okay. But it is already shared. Okay. So I will just go through it one by one because I guess everyone know English, right? So if you know the concept, you can write it down. So this is a short notes. This is a short note, but I would still prefer you to read the book. Sorry, read textbook, either Eschanth or Dinesh. You have to read it. So first is understanding the basics. So discuss the concept of refraction. So we studied that if we talk about light, this I've sent. This is the new one. Okay, this is the new one, right? Okay, don't worry, Prahlad. It's fine then. If it's not in NCERT, then it's good for you now, right? Anyways, I've uploaded this, right? In this, every concept is given point-wise. Okay, I've uploaded this already. Okay, so if you talk about the refraction, it's a bending of light when processed from one medium to another medium. We have discussed that. So see, if it is passing from air to glass, it is bending toward the normal. We have studied that. What is the reason behind this phenomena? And if it is passing from glass to air, it will bend away from the normal. Okay, then the two laws of refraction are given as, first is Snell's law. Now I have told you that instead of writing this, the best way to write is, suppose this is mu1, and this is mu1 and this is mu2. So the best way to write is mu1 sine I is equal to mu2 sine R. Okay, right? So in that way you are not confused, है ना? जब भी होता है तुम लोग आराम से ये use कर सकते हो. Because if you remember this formula, right, we generally get confused, है ना? भाई mu क्या है? Mu किस medium का, right? But किस medium का refractive index है ना? But this is actually relative. This is actually relative refractive index. Yes or no? Right? Because if you see, if you try to rearrange this, right, what I will get? I will get this sine I by sine R is equal to what? Mu2 by mu1. अब समझ में आया है कि नहीं? So जरूरी है क्या कि mu1 is always, mu1 is always tell me, mu1 is always air? No, it is not, right? Now Prahlad, see, first of all you have to know what is the meaning of constant over here. It means for this setup, right, for this setup, if I'm having two medium, है ना, this is medium 1 and this is medium 2. For this setup, right, even if you change the angle, even if you change the angle of what? Incident, even if you change the angle of incident, right? Okay, for this setup, this ratio is constant. अब समझ में आया? Yes or no? Right? Got it, Prahlad? Okay. So for this setup, it is constant. It's not that it is constant for every setup. No. Right? Every setup के लिए तो mu भी constant नहीं होता है. ठीक है? Got it, Shirsha, Vikas, Starina, Sanchit, Rakesh. Okay. So I said that whenever we talk about, okay, wait, Vikas. Again, Vikas, wait. So as I said that this mu2 by mu1, right? Mu2 is a constant which depends on material. Mu1 is also constant which depends on material, right? So for given material, this ratio is constant. Okay, that is the meaning of this constant. Okay, right? And obviously, if you change the material, right, then this ratio is changed, but that will be constant only. It's not that if you change the angle, this ratio of relative refractive index will change. Okay, now think about it. If angle I is equal to 0, right? So can I say, so it will become 0? So 0 by sine R is equal to mu2 by mu1. So sine R will be what? 0 by something, right? This is constant, right? So mu21 I'll write down. So what do you think about R? Tell me, what do you think about R? R should also be 0, yes or no? Right? Yes, so sir. Angle R is also equal to 0, right? Vikas, got it, Vikas? Okay, now it is not possible that medium is so dense that light can travel in straight line, because it's not possible, na? Got it? समझ में आया? Right? Because yes, mu sir. Cannot be infinity, no, we cannot be infinity. Okay? Okay? Because see, if this is not 0, think about it. If it is sine R is equal to what? Sine I by mu21. Now, if this is not 0, so mu21 cannot be infinity, no? समझ में आया? Got it, Vikas? Okay? Okay. Then second law we know, right? The incident, the refracted ray, and normal lies on the same plane. Okay. Now, if you see the ratio of angle of incident, angle of refraction. So if angle of incident is increasing, angle of refraction will also increase. So the ratio or the graph between I and R, or sin I by sin R, is a straight line. Using this equation, you know, I've told you, right? This equation, and now sin I is equal to what? mu21 sin R, where it is a constant, right? So sin I just change होगा, वैसे sin R change होगा, या sin R just change होगा, वैसे sin I change होगा. Okay, right? Now, when we talk about TIR, so TIR कुछ होता नहीं है. TIR is just a application of, it is just an application of your normal refractive index. For example, यहाँ पे देखो, we know that sin R is equal to what? Tell me, sin R is equal to, tell me guys, same, sin R is equal to what? Sin I by mu21. Ayana, yes or no? Right? Okay. So if mu21 is less than 1, is it possible that this is less than 1? Yes or no? Is this possible? Ayana. Yes, when light travels from denser to rarer. Yes or no? This is possible when light travels from denser to rarer. It is a relative refractive index. हाँ या ना? समझ में आया? Everyone, tell me. Yes or no? Right? It is not the absolute one. It is what? Refractive index, or I can just write like this. Just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Okay, just give. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I'm back. Right. So now see this, right? If we talk about this, है ना? What is mu2 1? Again, प्रहलाद, क्लास में मैंने क्या बोला था? क्लास में मैंने क्या बोला था? बताओ. It is relative refractive index ना? Yes or no? याद आ रहा है सबको? हाँ या ना? याद आ रहा है that it is relative refractive index. Absolute refractive index can never be less than 0. हाँ या ना? Right? Tell me. But if mu2 is less than mu1, if mu2 is less than mu1, can it be less than 0? Tell me. Mu21 is actually what? Mu2 by mu1. Refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. Now, if refractive index of second medium is less than refractive index of first medium, tell me, then can this term be less than 0? Sorry, less than 1? Yes or no? अब समझ में आ गया सबको? Right? Okay, so I can say that, okay, when this happens, तो क्या होगा? We already know, see this diagram, we already know that if light travels from, tell me, denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So don't you think that there will be a case जब किसी एंगल पे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम होने के कारण एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट ऐसा हो जाए 90 हो जाए? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, is this possible? होने के chances हैं? Yes, obviously, why not? It is possible. है ना? It is possible. Okay? वास्तव, right? N21 है ना? ये notation depends करता है बुक में क्या है, एक बार देख लो. Usually N21 means refractive index of 2 with respect to refractive index of 1 और N21 है ना? So एक बार देख लो तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या लिखा हुआ है. Because it is in different books, there are different notation. ठीक है? Got it, वास्तव? Right?
Yes, sir.
कंफ्यूज इसमें नहीं होना है, याद नहीं रखना ना, है कि नहीं? बिकॉज डिफरेंट बुक में डिफरेंट नोटेशंस होंगे. ओके, नाउ सी फॉर दिस कैन आई से सर सपोज दिस एंगल आई, राइट, एंड दिस एंगल इज 90 degree. So can I use Snell's law here? Tell me, can I use Snell's law over here? Yes, right? So if I use Snell's law over here, what I will get? Tell me what I will get. So this is mu1, this is mu2. So mu1 sin I is equal to mu2 sin 90 degree. And what is the value of 90 degree? What is the value of 90 degree? No, how come it will be not defined? Na 90 degree the value पता है ना, 1 होता है ना? Yes or no? So I will get what? Sin I is equal to what? This is 1. So it is just mu2 by mu1. Yes or no? Yes or no? सबको समझ में आना चाहिए, हाँ या ना? Raise your hand. Janvi 1, Janvi 2, Janvi 3. We have 3 Janvis now. Yashash, Rakesh, Samartha, Shakib, Sahana, Shriya, Aksa, Akshata. Okay, चलो. So I guess ये समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay. Anyone have any doubt in this? यहाँ तक मुझे दिक्कत है? यहाँ तक मुझे दिक्कत है? नहीं ना? We know refractive index का formula क्या होता है? What is refractive index, right? So see, यहाँ पे general notation अलग है. अब समझ में आया? Right, वास्तव? See, यहाँ पे notation अलग है ना? So if it is refractive index of B with respect to A, है ना? Refractive index of B with respect to A. तो देखो ऐसे लिखा गया है. अब समझ में आया? तो जिसका होता है वो पहले लिखते हैं जिसको, ठीक है, राइट। नाउ here what is this? Refractive index of C with respect to A is equal to what? Refractive index of C by refractive index of A. Yes or no? Hi or no? Now this can be written as what? Refractive index of, tell me, C by refractive index of B into refractive index of B by refractive index of A. Yes or no? Yes or no? Think about it. Yes, क्योंकि refractive index of B refractive index of B तो कट जाएगा ना. So it is actually what? Refractive index of C with respect to B into refractive index of B with respect to A. वही चीज है ना, right? So it means doesn't matter how many refractive medium I'm having. Doesn't matter how many refractive medium we are having. एक ऐसे रहे, एक ऐसे रहे, एक ऐसे रहे, एक ऐसे रहे. ध्यान दो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स मान लो A है, इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स मान लो B है, इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स मान लो C है, इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव मान लो X है और इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स मान लो Y है ना. सो if I have to find if it is entering at this point, think about it, if it is entering at this point at some angle I, है ना, and if it is leaving at this point, okay, it will leave like this, right? यहाँ से मान लो ऐसे लीव कर रहा है ना, with some angle R. So you can just ignore these three, है कि नहीं? Because I can use Snell's law at the surfaces, है ना, at the surfaces of refraction. So here, what is incident surface? Which is the incident surface? Tell me. Incident surface is this one, right? So what is the refractive index of incident medium? What is the diffractive index of incident medium? Mu x. So अब याद है, mu x into sin I is equal to, what is the refractive index of refracted medium? Tapish, tell me, what is the refractive index of refractive medium? Mu y, correct. Mu y into sin r. So देखो ये जो है वो तुमको सिर्फ उसे डराने के लिए दिया हुआ है. Yes or no? ये सब डराने के लिए दिया हुआ है. कट जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं, कट जाएगा ना, सी कट जाएगा. Got it? Right? Any issues till this point? यहाँ तक से दिक्कत है नहीं ना? Okay. Yes, Prahlad, it will be laterally displaced, no? It will be laterally displaced, right? Okay. Now, when you talk of principle of reversibility, so let us see the principle of reversibility. Okay, step by step. So we know that if I'm having glass slab, just imagine this to be a glass slab, right? And if I'm having a light, which is, okay, wait, I'll just make it over here. Okay, so this is your normal, and light is entering at this point like this. Yes or no? Right, this is your incident ray. Okay, now inside this glass slab, the light will bend, right? That is obviously refraction. So this is your rarer medium, this is your denser medium, and again this is a rarer medium. Yes or no? So light will bend. Tell me, light will bend
towards the normal.
exact towards, not towards, right? It bends towards the normal. So I can say that, okay, sir, here light will bend like this. Light will bend towards the normal. Makes sense? So थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा एंगल. Okay. Now यहाँ पे denser से rarer जा रहा है, तो light will bend again away from the normal. Light will bend away from the normal. So if you see this, then this line and this line is actually parallel to each other. Hi and now. This line and this line are actually parallel to each other. Raise your hand. Yes or no? Right? So if this is angle I, this should be angle I. So this is your incident ray and this is your emergent ray. Both are parallel to each other. Right? Now, what does this principle of reversibility says? Now think about it. Don't you think if light is not incident from this side, if the light is incident from this side, suppose light incident from this side, I'll just use green color. Okay, light is incident from this side. It will follow the same path, it will follow the same path, right? If instead of this side, if instead of side 1, if the light is incident from side 2, it will follow the exactly same path. It will follow exactly same path, right? Yes, and that is called your principle of reversibility. Got it? That is called your principle of reversibility. That even if you change the direction of incident wave, the light wave will follow the same path. The light will follow the same path, and that is your principle of reversibility. ठीक है, simple सा concept था. ठीक है? Then we discussed critical angle, yes or no? This angle for which the refracted ray is 90 degree, है ना? This angle for which the refracted angle is 90 degree when any light passes from denser medium to rare medium. This angle is called as critical angle. This angle I is called as critical angle. Yes, Vastav. That is C, right? This I is C. So it is sine C is equal to mu 2 1. Okay, and this is a critical angle. Got it? Tell me, Haley, Sterina, got this? Anna. So if you see the definition is written now, it is the angle of incident in the denser medium corresponding to which the refracted ray just grazes the surface of the patient, which means angle of refraction is 90 degrees. So this is what we have done. अभी हम लोगों ने यही किया ना? Yes or no? Right? Everyone, step by step. Yes, it was only in the case of density ray. Obviously, no, right? That is obvious. Okay, now next concept is apparent depth and real depth. So we know that if you see the example of what? If you see the example of swimming pool, right? If you see the example of coin in the bucket, right? We see that the actual depth is more than the apparent depth or the false depth, or I can say that the depth which we see, है? So if real depth is more than apparent depth, this ratio is equal to refractive index of water. ये बस याद रखना है, ठीक है? Because I don't think that ये तुम्हारे equations, मतलब ये तुम्हारे एग्जाम में as a पूछेगा as a numerical, but this is something you have to remember. Okay, so this is the part one. This is the part one of refraction. Anyone have any doubt in this? Because mainly numerical में doubt होता है, हम लोग numerical अच्छे से करेंगे. But यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? Yes, it does have derivation, but तुमको अभी नहीं पढ़ना है, ठीक है? Right? हमें अभी नहीं पढ़ना है, because derivation trigonometry use कर गया है, ठीक है? तो अभी हमने नहीं पढ़ना है, 12th में पढ़ना है derivations का. Okay. Now, I hope all of you know the surfaces, lenses. कि lens कितने तरह के होते हैं, है ना? Spherical lens of two types, concave, convex, right? I hope all of you know these things. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Tell me. All of you know this? That sir, we have two type of lens, concave or convex, right? Concave, as I told you, cave. जब cave जैसा होता है ना, cave. So this is your concave, right? A bulge रहता है, that is your convex. So there are multiple type of lenses, but we have to study for two only, right? This is concave, and the second one is convex. Okay. Now, if you see, the lens have two surfaces, है the lens have very good, Prahlad. Okay, so lens have two surfaces. So again, अगर तुम इसको combine कर दोगे, तो depending on the two surfaces, for example, this will be the surface. Now tell me, if you combine these two, it will look like this. Yes or no? एक surface क्या होगा? Concave. दूसरा surface क्या हो जाएगा? Convex. So it is called as concavo-convex. Okay, right? No, it is concavo-convex. Okay, Vikas? Yes. Biconcave or biconvex means the same as concave-convex. Okay, right? जैसे यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे एक surface कैसा है? Plane. दूसरा surface क्या है? Convex. So it is plano-convex. Or double convex is also called as biconvex or just convex. ठीक है? Okay. Anyone have any doubt in this? Right? So these all are called as converging lenses. है ना? Whenever it is convex, it is called as converging lenses because light pass होकर एक point पे converge करता है ना? Now we have diverging lenses also. So concave lens is a diverging lens. Light आके दूर जाता है ना? So I can say the same thing depending on the two surfaces. If it is both concave, it is double concave. एक plane है, दूसरा concave है, it is plano concave. और एक convex है, दूसरा concave है, then it is convexo concave. Zilan, अब समझ में आया क्यों? Because there is convexo concave, right? यस और नो, राइट? समझ में आ गया ना? ये कॉन्वेक्स हो गया, ये कॉन्केव हो गया, सो दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स और कॉन्केव, दोनों सेम होगा ना, दोनों सेम होगा, डजंट मैटर, राइट? बोथ आर सेम, ओके, राइट? So I hope you know that this is just the tell me how lenses would be. Now, is it necessary that lenses would be made up of light only? Sorry, not light, glass only. Tell me, Sanchit. Tell me, Sanchit, is it necessary that lenses should be made up of glass only? Sanchit, are you there? Sanchit? Okay, I'll mark you absent then. Sanchit is absent. Yes, yes, अक्षता, देखो ना, यहाँ पे एक सरफेस कन्वेक्स दूसरा सरफेस कनकेव है, और इसमें भी एक सरफेस कन्वेक्स दूसरा सरफेस कनकेव है, बोथ आर सेम, ठीक है, बोथ आर सेम, ओके, राइट? ओके, नाउ when you talk about these lenses are the part of spherical glass, है ना, or any spherical transparent medium, right? This we know, right? So whenever we talk about spherical medium, we have few terms associated with that. We know that first term is center, so it is called a center of curvature, then the principal axis, then the radius of curvature, right? So I guess all of us know these terms. So there are some important terms that we have to remember, right? Some important terms that we have to remember. I hope all of you know these terms. No, Satvik, that is what I asked now. Think about it. Is there lens in our eyes? Is there lens in our eyes? Yes or no? Yes. Is it made up of light? Sorry, is it made up of glass? No, right? Simple. Got it? Not glass. So any transparent medium can behave as a lens. Okay? Got it? Okay. So see, again, एक term करके दिया हुआ है, what is principal axis, what is focus, है ना? So definition दिया हुआ है, I guess all of you know these definitions. Yes or no? Right? Okay. So image वाला हम लोगों ने already discuss किया था. So I will send you the video of that. And if you don't remember, we'll discuss in class में करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है, offline class में, right? Because even if I'll tell you, you won't draw, you have to draw it, then only you can remember. So we know that whenever we talk about lenses and mirror, the image formed by convex lens is same as what? Tell me. Same as the nature of image of a concave mirror. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And whenever you talk about concave lens.
The concave lens.
Yes, it is
Convex.
Convex mirror.
Yes. So in fact, you just have to remember the properties of only one. Either remember the properties of convex or concave. There's only one difference, that the image will be formed, tell me, on the other side of the lens. Okay. So this table you have to remember, you have to draw actually, you have to draw and you have to remember. Okay, this table. Okay, yes or no? Okay, right. After this, we studied the sign scheme. कितने लोगों को याद है sign scheme? हाथ उठा लो. कितने लोगों को sign scheme याद है? हाथ उठा लो. Right? You just have to remember two things. If you move in the direction of light, distance is positive, negative. Distance is taken as positive, negative. Tell me.
Positive.
And vice versa. ठीक है, क्लियर? और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर पॉजिटिव, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के नीचे नेगेटिव, है ना? तो लेफ्ट राइट याद नहीं रखेंगे. ओके, नाउ आई गेस दिस इज क्लियर. हाँ या ना? स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम लोग हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप, क्योंकि हमारा डाउट जो है वो न्यूमेरिकल है, तब तो न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे ज्यादा, है ना। सो लेंस फॉर्मूला सबको याद है, लेंस फॉर्मूला इज 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f। डेरिवेशन हमें 12th में करना है, हमें डेरिवेशन अभी नहीं करना, हमें डेरिवेशन 12th में करना है, ठीक है। सो हमें बस ये याद रखना है, तो दैट्स द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला, 1 by v plus 1 by sorry minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f। u always negative, yes or no? u always negative, yes or no? Right? हाँ या ना? f positive for convex lens and f is always negative for concave lens, yes or no? नो वास्तव डेरिवेशन नहीं पूछता है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कोर्स में आता है ना, है कि नहीं, राइट। सो दीज आर द थ्री इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर जब भी हम वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, बिकॉज देखोगे ना, तुम देखोगे अगर, राइट, अगर लाइट इसका देख रहे हो तो इसके लिए फोकस यहाँ होता है ना, लाइट इधर से आ रहा है ऐसे, तो फोकस यहाँ होता है, तो ऐसे होके ऐसे आता है, राइट। सो this direction is, so what the direction of light? So it is positive, so this distance is your focal length, which is positive, okay। now mirror formula में क्या था, mirror formula में यहाँ पे प्लस की जगह माइनस, माइनस की जगह प्लस था, ये माइनस। now whenever you talk about focus, focus is very easy definition of focus. Focus is 1 by focal length in meters. Sorry, power is not focus power is 1 by focal length in meter, 1 by focal length in meter, right? So focal length definition निकल गया, हम निकाल देंगे। now whenever we talk about magnification, yes प्रहलाद, yes obviously, right, है ना। लेंस इज बाइफोकल ना, बिकॉज लेंस के दो फोकस होते हैं, है ना, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच साइड ऑफ, ओके, विच साइड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। ना मैग्निफिकेशन, अब ध्यान दो, मैग्निफिकेशन फॉर्मूला हमेशा hi by h0 होता है, हमेशा hi by h0 होता है, यस और नो, चाहे वो मिरर हो चाहे वो लेंस हो, इट इज ऑलवेज hi by h0। but when you talk about the other formula v by u, so for lens it is plus v by plus u, but if you talk about mirror it is minus v by minus u। उनको डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट मिरर में v हमेशा नेगेटिव होता था, दिस शुड बी, दिस रेशियो शुड बी, राइट, आइदर नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर, टेल मी, डायरेक्शन, है ना। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, राइट, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एडजस्टमेंट, whenever you talk about lens it is plus v by u, and when you talk about mirror it is minus v by u, ठीक है, बस ये डिफिनेशन याद रखना है। सो अगर m पॉजिटिव हुआ तो it is erect, है ना, right, and if m is negative then it is inverted, got it, है ना, right। so हमने शॉर्ट में सारा का सारा देखा, no na aware, no, right, because it is the ratio, got it aware, it is the ratio now aware, right, समझ में आया। फॉर एग्जांपल 3 by 2 is equal to 15 by 10, है कि नहीं, हो सकता है कि 3 मीटर हो, ये 2 मीटर हो, वो डिस्टेंस 15 मीटर हो, 10 मीटर हो। see because when you talk about, मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, when you talk about mirror usually I'll just take example of concave mirror u क्या होता है, u पॉजिटिव होता है, yes or no, u is positive, think about it, right। what about v is generally negative, हाँ या ना, v is generally negative, sorry, u is also negative, my bad, u is negative, u तो हमेशा negative होता है ना, right, okay, and v is also negative, yes or no, v is also negative, yes or no, tell me,
Yes, sir.
so if you write m is equal to minus v by u, depending on these sign, except one case, right, depending on this sign I will get the value of m, yes or no, but when you talk about lens, I'll just talk about convex lens, अब समझ में आ रहा है, convex lens, what is u is negative, no issues, but v is equal to positive, अब समझ में आया, except one case, so don't you think magnification सर सेम ही रहेगा ना, magnification डायरेक्शन तो चेंज हो जाएगा, right, है कि नहीं, है ना। so that is why if you see, right, if you just put the negative sign, so it will what, negative positive should be minus some value, negative of some value, I'll just take k, some values k. And here, if you put negative, it will become negative. Yes or no? But you have to be what? Positive. This value should be positive, right? So we put the value negative by positive. So it is negative k. Both should be magnification should be same. Doesn't matter if you're talking about lens or mirror. Okay? Got it? अब समझ में आया? अब समझ में आया? Okay, right. So now, whenever we talk about numericals, how many formulas do we need to remember? Tell me, how many formulas we need to remember? Only 3 formulas, right? 3. है ना? Refraction की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. First formula is lens formula, second formula is power वाला, third formula is magnification. याद रहेगा, है ना? Okay. So let us see some numericals. ठीक है? Let us see some numericals. Right? So this is the first numerical, guys. First numerical, है ना? So मैं तुम लोगों को सिर्फ 1 मिनट दूंगा सॉल्व करने के लिए, नहीं दूंगा, मैं बताऊंगा कि कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, है ना? So just go through the problems. Don't worry. Top 5 numericals मैं खुद करवाऊंगा. 5-6 numericals मैं खुद करवाऊंगा जितना हो सकता है. But at least go through it once. ठीक है? At least go through it once. Write down these in your notebook. Write down. Okay? जैसे जैसे मैं लिख रहा हूँ वैसे लिखो. I will ask you to bring this in your next class. ठीक है? मैं देखूंगा इसको. Okay?
Sir, object distance 35 centimeter है कि 3.5 centimeter?
It is 35. 35. ठीक है? Not 3.5. It is not 3.5. ठीक है? Write down all the yes, Prahlad. You have to write the not questions, right? Write the information. Now what is written? Write down the information. ठीक है? क्या दिया हुआ है? Whenever we talk about any problem, write down what is given. Then write down the formula. Then start solving. ठीक है? Random मत solve करो. Okay? Right? We should not solve randomly. नो इश्यूज चंदन, हमारा तो नॉर्मली जैसे चलता है वैसे चलेगा ना चंदन, है कि नहीं? हमारा जो शेड्यूल है वो तो फिक्स है. हम लोग टेस्ट तो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ना इससे. ओके 35 नॉट 3.5, 35. ओके 35, राइट? सो इफ यू सी दिस, ठीक है, पहले क्या करेंगे हम लोग? लिखेंगे, है ना? देखो यहाँ पे एवरीवन लुक एट दिस. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड द प्रॉब्लम. एटलीस्ट समझ में आया ना? So पहले लिखेंगे व्हाट इज द फोकल लेंथ. टेल मी व्हाट इज द फोकल लेंथ. सर फोकल लेंथ इज 15 given. I'm just writing the value. ठीक है? First question that you should ask, sir, what is the lens? What is the type of lens? So it is given as converging lens. So converging lens तो क्या होगा?
Convex.
Converging is convex ना, अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. Converging is convex. And for convex, focal length is positive or negative? Tell me. For converging,
Positive.
positive, right? So focal length is positive, correct. Height of the object, tell me, height of the object.
So positive.
Plus 7.5.
Plus, because obviously object हमेशा ऊपर रहता है ना, object ऐसा हमेशा erect रहता है, so object का positive हो गया. Object distance is always negative, right? Information लिखो. But height of the image हमें नहीं पता. Now tell me, if you see this, right? So now let us see the formula that we know. We know the formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. That is first formula. And the other formula we know as magnification is equal to v by u and is equal to hi by h naught. Yes or no? यही formula पता है? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? So first is height of the image form. Now can I find the height of image directly? Tell me, can I find the height of image directly? No, sir. We have to find it. Tell me, v first. V निकालना पड़ेगा ना, right? So I have to find image distance first, है ना? I have to find image distance first. So how can I find image distance? By using this formula? Yes or no? Using this formula. So I will put it. ठीक है? 1 by v minus 1 by. What should I put in place of u? Tell me. What should I put in place of u? क्या put करना पड़ेगा? minus 35. Very good, right? Minus 35 is equal to 1 by f. F की जगह क्या put करूंगा मैं? 15.
Plus
Yes or no?
15.
Right? Okay. So minus into minus क्या होता है? Plus. So I hope all of you know sir, that 1 by v is equal to what? 1 by 15. Now plus will become minus 1 by 35. Okay. So it is what? ये तो आता होगा 35 minus 15 by 15 into 35. So it is what? 20 by 15 into 35. 5 से गया ये 3 times, 5 से गया ये 4 times. So it is 4 by, tell me, 3 into 35 is 105, है ना? So V कितना हो जाएगा? Tell me. V is equal to 105 by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So it is 26.25. Any issues? 5 नहीं, 26.125. 26.125. है ना? Anyone have any issue in this? बहुत basic है कि नहीं? बहुत basic है. Okay. Now can I find M? Can I find M? अब M निकलेगा. Yes or no? What is M? Sir, M is equal
Sir,
to
26.25 ही है.
26.25. Sorry, 26.25. My bad. So M निकल जाएगा ना? So V is positive. V का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आ गया सर. So it is 26.25. By U का वैल्यू कितना है? So U वैल्यू नेगेटिव दिया हुआ है -35 is equal to HI by H naught वैल्यू 7.5 दिया हुआ है 7.5. So I guess I can solve this. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Right. So it is, so HI will be closely equal to, it will be equal to 5 point something, and you have to calculate. Okay, 5.625. Okay, so 5.6 मैं लिख देता हूँ 5.625.
Sir, negative में आएगा ना sir?
हाँ नेगेटिव में, बिकॉज नेगेटिव है ना. मैग्निफिकेशन इज इक्वल टू 0.75. कैसे हो गया बताओ? 0.75 कैसे हो गया मैग्निफिकेशन? मैग्निफिकेशन ये रेशियो है ना. ओके ओके, डिवाइड करके तुमको 0.75 आया क्या? हाँ 0.75 आया तो 0.75 into 7.5 will give you height. ठीक है, ओके है ना? गॉट इट? सही है. मैग्निफिकेशन 0.75 आ गया तो into 7.5 will give you HI. Any issue in this? Any issue in this problem? Raise your hand. अब समझ में आया कैसे हम कैप डालेंगे? First question is clear? Raise your hand. First question is clear? Okay. So let us see the second question. Everyone, second question. जल्दी जल्दी. या जानवी, तो हमारा भी क्लास ऑनलाइन ही होगा फिर, जो ऑफलाइन कल होने वाला था, राइट? वो ऑफलाइन की जगह वो ऑनलाइन ही होना पड़ेगा बिकॉज स्कूल छुट्टी है, बस नहीं रहेगा. ओके I forgot to record, right? So these two questions are clear. I forgot to record. Okay, so let us see third question. Just remind me, right, whenever it is this. Okay, this is the third question. Everyone, step by step, what kind of refracting surface it is? What kind of surface it is? Concave, convex? Convex. सबसे पहले ये देखना है, convex. That's the first thing you have to do. Lens, convex. Okay, what other information is given? Object distance h naught. Object distance is, sorry, object height of the object is 7 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the convex lens. So image distance नहीं पता, object distance given -12 centimeter. यहाँ पे माइनस होगा ना, because object हमेशा नेगेटिव होता है. Then focal length, convex के लिए focal length क्या होता है? हमेशा positive. Focal length is 8 centimeter. Find the position, nature and height of the object. So हम लोग पहला क्या करेंगे? फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. I hope all of you know this, है ना? अब समझ में आ रहा है कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, कैसे अप्रोच लेंगे. ये अगर सही से लिख दिया ना तो गलत होने के चांसेस है. टेल मी, if you write these things correctly, you just have to use formula putting getting. Yes or no? डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखना है. वेरी गुड प्रहलाद. तो अब पुट करते हैं. तो 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. ये इधर जाके हो गया प्लस 1 by u. अब वैल्यू पुट करूंगा. सो 1 by 8. अब देखो प्लस u क्या है -12 है, तो क्या हो जाएगा -1 by 12, बिकॉज u इज -12 ना. -1 into प्लस माइनस हो गया. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 12 into 8. इसका एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा? 24, right? And this is what? 3 minus 2. This is 1 by 24 positive. So v क्या हो गया? What is v? Sir, v is equal to 24 centimeter. Right? Now what about magnification? We know magnification is equal to v by u. v कितना है? 24. u कितना है? -12. So -2 है ना? यूनिट नहीं होता मैग्निफिकेशन का. Magnification का यूनिट नहीं होता है. Correct. So can I say what is the nature? It is enlarged or diminished? It is enlarged or diminished? Enlarged. Now height of image by height of object is equal to what? -2. So height of image is -14. Inverted or erect? Inverted. Real or virtual?
Real.
Real. Any issues in this? Tell me. Any issue in this?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Easy enough? Yes or no? Okay, right. Now अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है, if I don't know that if the lens is converging or diverging, I have to find it, है ना? If I have to find it, then what we have to do? Let us see one problem based on that, है ना? जब हमें लेंस ही नहीं पता कैसा है, बट कुछ तो दिया होगा ना, कुछ तो दिया होगा, है कि नहीं? चलो अब यही देखो, this problem, everyone, step by step, write down, मेरे साथ लिखते जाओ. Object placed 50 centimeter from the lens. So image distance is given, yes or no? -50. हमेशा image distance is negative, right? It is a virtual image. ध्यान दो, virtual image. Virtual. तो image के नीचे कैसा हो गया? Image is virtual. So अगर image virtual है तो हम क्या सोचेंगे? अब अभी हम सिर्फ डेटा लिख रहे हैं, जो पता है हमें, सिर्फ डेटा लिख रहे हैं ना, जो हमें पता है. Okay, then what else we know? At a distance of 10 centimeter in front of lens. So v. Now if it is virtual, then tell me v is equal to positive or negative? Tell me. If it is virtual, then image distance will be negative or positive? Everyone, यही तो concept है. Correct. Very good, Vastav. It is negative, है ना? It is also negative. Yes or no? Because image और object दोनों same direction है, तभी तो negative हुआ ना? Because lens में तो cross हो जाता है. Think about it. Yes or no? Lens में क्या होता है? Lens में तो ऐसे cross हो जाता है, right? इसमें भी cross हो जाएगा. But अगर virtual है, means image भी side बन रहा है, object भी side है. Yes or no? Got it, Bhavani? Bhavani? Very good, Jinan. तो u हो गया, v हो गया. Focal length निकलेगा. Tell me, what's the formula of focal length? Everyone. Formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now everyone, can you try? Janvi, Vastav. Very good, Vastav. Step by step. See, sir, 1 by f is equal to b की वैल्यू क्या है? सर -10 है सर. It is 1 by -10 minus u की वैल्यू -15 सर. So 1 by -15. वैल्यू पुट करना है, हाँ या ना? स्टेप बाय स्टेप. वेरी गुड वास्तव, वेरी गुड. So 1 by f is equal to what? Tell me. माइनस प्लस हो गया. So -1 by 10 plus 1 by 50. So LCM is 50. Right? And this will be what? -5 plus, tell me, -5 plus 1. So it is -4 by 50. So f is equal to what? So f is equal to -12.5. बताओ फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव हो गया कि नेगेटिव हो गया? टेल मी, फोकल लेंथ इज पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव?
नेगेटिव।
नेगेटिव। और फोकल लेंथ नेगेटिव कैसे लेंस का होता है?
Concave.
कॉनकेव।
Concave.
यस, सो इट इज योर डाइवर्जिंग लेंस, राइट? कॉनकेव लेंस। अब समझ में आ गया? यस और नो? एवरीवन रेज योर हैंड। एवरीवन गॉट दिस? नाव्या गॉट दिस? जयति, स्टरीना, हेली, कृष्णा, समझ में आया? कृष्णा,
Yes, sir.
प्रहलाद, ये फोकस है ना प्रहलाद, मैग्निफिकेशन थोड़ी ना है। फोकस नेगेटिव है, फोकस नेगेटिव है तो हमेशा वो कैसा लेंस होगा? कनकेव, राइट? इट इज नॉट मैग्निफिकेशन ना। वेरी गुड दर्शन, वेरी गुड तपेश। एनीवन हैव एनी इशू इन दिस? गॉट इट प्रहलाद? कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना है यार, दिमाग क्लियरिटी रखना है। ओके ओके, वन लास्ट प्रॉब्लम, आज का लास्ट प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है? राइट, उसके बाद तुम सब कोई एक बार मैं तुम लोग दिखा दूंगा कहाँ पे सारे सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स देखना। 15 सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स हैं, सारे 15 सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स हो जाने चाहिए आई गेस, है ना? सो वन लास्ट प्रॉब्लम, आई विल जस्ट सॉल्व वन लास्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टुडेस क्लास। Okay, see this problem everyone, see this problem. Okay, इंफॉर्मेशन लिखो, पहले स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंफॉर्मेशन लिखो। ड्रॉ करने वाला तो घर पे करेंगे, ड्रॉ करने वाला तो तुम लोग कर लोगे, है ना? It seems like night right now. काफी ज्यादा अंधेरा हो गया है। अभी रम्या समझ में आ रहा? अभी रम्या सबको, तुमको, अनघा, प्रज्वल, अहद, संचित तो लगता है ऑन करके ऐसे ही बैठ गया है। संचित को तो रिप्लाई करना ही नहीं है। बस what is given? The object 5 centimeter high, h naught is equal to 5 centimeter. Converging lens, right? Converging lens, so convex lens. Focal length f, convex or focal length positive होगा 10 centimeter. Kept at 25 centimeter from u, image distance minus 25. Three informations given, right? Very good, Prahlad. So can I find v? Tell me, can I find v step by step? See how easy it is. How easy it is. हाँ है ना? अब बताओ, can I find the value of v? Yes sir, I can. I have to put the value. Just put the value. 1 by u का वैल्यू क्या है सर? minus 25 is plus f का वैल्यू क्या है सर? 1 by 10. And what is the LCM of 25 and 10?
50.
Size means magnification. Yes, no, Oscar. Size is magnification. 50, correct, 50. And this is what? Minus 2 plus 5. है ना? Minus 2 plus 5. Correct. So V is equal to what? 50 by 3 centimeters. Yes or no? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Right? Now, we have to find magnifications. Magnification is equal to what? V by U. V कितना है? Sir, 50 by 3. Our U is minus, tell me, minus 25. So it is what? बताओ, 50 by minus 75. So it is minus, tell me, 2 by 3. And it is equal to height of object by height of image by height of object. So height of image by height of object is 5. So I hope all of you can solve it. Height of image is what? Minus 10 by 3. Multiply, okay? Minus 10 by 3 centimeter. Got it. Minus 3.33 centimeter. So बताओ ये क्या हो जाएगा, निगेटिव है ना, निगेटिव हो जाएगा, राइट? सो इट इज वर्चुअल और रियल? टेल मी, इज इट वर्चुअल और रियल? वर्चुअल और रियल?
रियल।
रियल। वी सर, वी पॉजिटिव है ना, तो रियल। वी पॉजिटिव है, रियल, राइट? इरेक्ट और इन्वर्टेड? इरेक्ट और इन्वर्टेड?
Inverted.
Inverted.
इन्वर्टेड। सर HI नेगेटिव है तो इन्वर्टेड। डिमिनिश्ड और enlarged?
So diminished.
Diminished, because sir magnification is
Diminished.
less than 1. Magnification less than 1, magnitude wise, magnitude of magnification less than 1, diminished. Okay, yes or no? Everyone got this? Raise your hand, raise your hand. सबको समझ में आया? हाँ या ना? कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत छोटा होता है यार, कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत मुश्किल नहीं होता है।